Ladies and gents, welcome back. Another beautiful day. I am gonna make a quick how-to video. My wife's car wouldn't start this morning. I should be working on motorcycles, but no, we're here. So, quick how-to on how to get this battery out. So these things are super compact, lots of plastic. This little cover goes right there over the battery. And there's two ways to get this thing out. One, we take the air box and all that junk out. The other, we take the cowl out. And I think we're gonna go the cowl way first, just to, that seems like it's the easiest. So the first thing that we're really gonna do here is pop these bad boys off. And this is a 15 mil, and that will take your wiper off. I already took the clips out, but if you haven't, take those out. And now that those ridiculous things are off, this should pop up. Oh, there's some tabs, I forgot, that hold this thing in. So gently pop it up. After you get the cowl out, you will see the water drain. There is two 8 mils on each side that hold that bad boy in. And now that you have a half a ton of plastic on the floor, oh my goodness, what do we have here? The battery. And this should pop out. It does. Ooh, that don't look good. But yeah, unhook the terminals. I think these are probably 10 mils. So now that everything is out of the way and you've went and got your replacement battery, I recommend just standing back, cracking yourself a beverage, and admiring the design failure and the chain of commands that this must have went through to get okayed.